It's your boy Crypto Blood. Welcome back to My Two Satoshis, a sponsored edition. This one is going to be going over something I haven't done in a long time, showing you guys how to make easy money trading perpetual contracts. You can do it on any really exchange, but I like using BYDFi because their execution engines are very fast and you're able to get in and get out, reliable charting and all of that. And I use that in conjunction with Bloodalytics. Now, you got to do this manually, though, because trying to do it using and calling API can sometimes be unreliable. Like, it'll miss trades, it'll miss your take profits. If you got a few hours to just sit at the desk and do this, you can make a decent amount of money on a daily basis using a signal like Bloodalytics to aid you with your trade. So we're going to take a look at that today. BYDFi, again, is the website. I have a link in the description of this video, so you guys can go ahead and sign up and check it out for yourselves and try to use this strategy and see how it works out for you. Let me know in the comments below. Again, BYDFi.com is the exchange. I've been working with them for 4 or 5 years now, just getting back to using their platform for manual trades and to do this scalping system. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, I've got my Bloodalytics charts set up. They're ready to go. And as you guys can see here, I'm going to zoom in so you can see the Bitcoin versus USDT. And I had a signal to go short maybe about 30 minutes ago, an hour ago, and the market is actually going against us. But this is a great opportunity to get in short now. You're at an advantage in this trade because you didn't get in right when the signal came in. This gives you the opportunity to have less risk on this particular trade. So as you guys see, the background is red. That means we went short around this area right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to BYDFi, and I like using market orders for this type of strategy here, guys. So you want to make sure you have that, and you can do it with very little money. You can leverage all the way up to 200x with them just to get used to using the system. Now, as you build your account up, I really suggest lowering the leverage amount to about 50 to 75. But again, I'm just going to show you how to do it with literally some dust that I have in this account to just show you the power of this. So we have a signal to go short on Bitcoin right now. So I'm going to go ahead and place a short order. I'm going to do a 40% short. I like disabling this confirmation because I need to get in and out. All right. So I hit that short. Boom. Now we're in the trade. And as you guys can see, we're using perpetual contracts, by the way. You go under derivatives, hover over USDTM, and you'll see all the perpetual contracts available. They got a lot of them. So this can work on multiple pairs, but I have the Bloodalytics manual scalping system set up on 4 pairs right now. Bitcoin versus USD, Ethereum versus USD, and Binance versus USD, and lastly, Litecoin versus USD. And I see that Binance coin is getting towards the area where I would go in short. We're just back to break even. Now we took profit down here where those orange dots are areas where we took profit on that initial short, and we're back to where we entered the position. So at this point, I could place another short in here just to defend this trend. So let's go ahead and place a short on both Binance coin and Litecoin really quickly. Let's do it. Now, the Ethereum trade is a little outside of our comfort zone to go long because we're already significantly in the money on that long trade there. So I got to wait until that market pulls back and possibly re-enter for you guys live. We did take profit here at that orange dot at this arrow. We took profit on that long, but we can possibly get back in if the markets move back down towards the entry point. And you have to remember to set the leverage for every pair because each pair is individual from the other pairs because they're not set across the board. We are ready to go short, as you guys see with the Ethereum trade. So let me go over to Ethereum now. Change this up as well. Let's get a little DGN on them, 130x. Boom. Put a short on right now. And as you slide that ruler there, you'll see how much margin you're going to be using out of what you have available down here at the bottom. Now that keeps you in line of not using too much of your available margin. You want to use 100% of it because then you don't have any room for the trade to actually move up and down. So as you guys can see, a few minutes I fast forwarded through it, but as you can see, the trade's winning our way. The Ethereum one did very well. Bitcoin one is in the green. We're going to take profits now on these trades, and it's just that easy, ladies and gents, to make money, having fun. I just literally doubled my account in a matter of an hour and a half. I'm just going to go ahead and take 50% off of this Ethereum trade, to take off 5% of the Litecoin trade, 5% off of the finance trade, and 75% off that Bitcoin trade, because that was the biggest one. So there you have it, guys. That quickly, you can do this all day. You just got to have time to sit down, no distractions. Don't get up from the computer. Stay where you are with your trade until you're ready to close out of them using signals like Bloodalytic, do it manually, or other. You have your own strategy. Use it on BYDFi. Very easy to use, guys. Just hover over derivatives at the top there, and then you have a laundry list of pairs to trade over there. Okay, so you can make yourself some good money consistently on BYDFi. Let me know how that turned out for you guys. Link is in the description below if you guys want to sign up. I do have a special bonus for you, $100 towards your trade. So you can even start with zero money, use the $100 bonus they give you, and then whatever you make above that $100 is yours. All right, it's your boy Crypto Blood. Again, let me know how you guys like this. I'm out of here. How?